Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we have something special for all the beach lovers and sun soakers out there. We're diving into the details of the Swimsuit bikini set for women, a swimsuit that's making waves in the fashion scene. Trust me, folks, you won't want to miss this one. Let's jump right in and talk about why this Swimsuit bikini set is being hailed as the best swimsuit ever. First off, the design. This two-piece swimsuit is an absolute stunner. It features a cutout design on the top that adds a touch of sophistication and sexiness to your beach look. The vintage-inspired bikini set comes with adjustable straps, making it suitable for various body types. But that's not all. The high-waisted bottom with a V-front detail ensures you're not only fashionable but also comfortable while enjoying the sun and the waves. Now, let's talk about the key features that set this swimsuit apart. One of the standout features of this Swimsuit bikini set is the inclusion of removable soft cups. These cups provide extra support and shaping for your bust, giving you that extra boost of confidence on the beach. Taking care of your swimsuit is a breeze. Just follow the care instructions, regular wash with cold water, and avoid bleach and tumble drying. Your swimsuit will stay vibrant and in great condition for many beach adventures to come. This bikini set is not just for the beach, it's perfect for various occasions. Whether you're planning a tropical vacation, a day at the pool, a honeymoon, or a cruise, this Swimsuit bikini set has got you covered. It's also an excellent choice for holiday gifts for the special women in your life. Now, let's talk sizing. We all know that finding the right size can be a bit tricky when shopping online, but Swimsuit has made it easier for you. This bikini set is available in XS, S, M, L, and XL, with each size catering to a specific range. For example, XS is suitable for sizes 0 to 2, and XL fits sizes 16 to 18. To ensure the perfect fit, make sure to refer to the size chart provided on the product page. But wait, there's more. Swimsuit offers a range of other fabulous swimwear options. Here are some you might want to check out. The Swimsuit women's bikini set with a cutout front and lace-up back. The Swimsuit bikini set with a V-neck triangle top and wide straps. The Swimsuit women's bikini set with a high-waisted cheeky V-cut bottom and U-wire. Before we wrap up, let's talk about Swimsuit's philosophy. Their motto, "Live life on the beach," truly captures the essence of their brand. They believe that the right swimsuit, combined with a little sunshine, can turn life into an adventure. So, there you have it, folks, the Swimsuit bikini set for women. With its stunning design, thoughtful features, and versatile options, it's no wonder why this swimsuit is making waves in the fashion world. If you're ready to elevate your beach style, don't hesitate to click the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible swimsuit. And hey, if you've already tried it, share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fantastic product reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of consumer goods. Until next time, stay stylish and enjoy the sun.